Hello, hi Esoterica viewers. Today I'm going to be unboxing Esther and Jerry Hicks, The Teachings of Abraham. It's getting into the Vortex cards, and I was so excited to get this. I have followed Esther and Jerry Hicks and The Teachings of Abraham for a long time. This is a deck that I bought for my birthday, for myself. I hope you like it. Look for it in my upcoming videos. Add in there. Let's see. Well, let's take a look. Oh, this is a message from Esther herself. Dear friends, it is always satisfying for me to be able to tap into the vibration of Abraham and to translate their empowering message into our current time and space. I really believe that this deck of cards not only contains everything necessary to attract and maintain wonderful relationships, but it also explains everything that we would ever need to understand about living our lives in these bodies at this time. Every time I reflect upon the depth of understanding that is reflected in these cards, I am restored to my true nature. This deck of cards is my most precious possession. With love, Esther. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, that just tells us about her. Oh, then there's like a whole story about every relationship. So whichever card you pull, there'll be more information. Oh, you know what? The quality of these cards, they are very shiny. They're good thickness, and I think they're going to handle a lot of usage very well. Let's see. I'm kind of counting. There's little numbers at the corner to just make sure we've got them all. And 60. I love these. I absolutely can't wait to use them. Let's see if we can just pull a random card. I'm just going to intuitively see which one wants to come forward. Okay, beneficial beliefs feel better when I think them. There are things in your environment that you believe that match what you want, and there are all kinds of things in your environment that you believe that defy what you want. How would you ever sort them out? How do you know the active beliefs within you that serve you well and the active beliefs that do not serve you? How do you know the beneficial beliefs from the detrimental ones? The beneficial beliefs feel better when you think them. The detrimental ones feel worse when you think them. Oh, very easy. I really like that. That was so simply intuitive. Simply intuitive. I'm going to put that right back where, because it was 22 and I see 23. I'm really excited to just play with these. I really feel funny about mixing them all up right now, but I will be using them in my upcoming video, so please look for that. I'm really excited to just study them. They have an energy coming off of these cards that feels quite healing. Healing is the word that I'm feeling the most. Thank you, Esther, so much for these beautiful cards. Oops. It's a tight-fitting box, let me just say. Very tight-fitting box. I love this little letter. Whoops. Oh, I am excited. I'm in love with them. It's just because I am a big fan of Abraham. It's actually why I've channeled Abraham before, and just a beautiful energy, and always wanting to share their love and their wisdom with all of us so that we can all achieve everything that we are meant to in this life. So thank you again for watching, liking, subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.